It was supposed to be blue. It changed so many colors. It's Miranda from Franco Kidz. We're gonna be making popsicles. So let's get started. Have this and open it. So we're gonna have this. We're gonna put 2 spoons in here. One, 2. So now we're gonna mix it. Smells so good. We're gonna pour this in. Let's put the spoon here. Now we're gonna put the lids on. Now we're gonna put them in the freezer. Very, very carefully. Once ready, let's try it. It changed colors. It was supposed to be blue. It changed so many colors. Just kidding, April Fools. Bye, guys. Subscribe and like and watch many times and share. Bye. Here are the real ones.